Hi, it's Dear for the new Realme 10 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first, let's launch the settings application and then scroll down to the password and security section. Then click here to system security and tap to SIM card lock. Just to lock SIM card with the pin code, click once on the switcher and enter the pin code. For example, in my case, that will be from 1 to 4. After that, just click here to OK, and that's it. Now our SIM card successfully locked with the SIM pin. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.